Friends, today's lecture on soft skills, mental strength. You need to understand this very carefully. Okay? The students, this side, please try to understand. More to these students I am telling. Because this side only men students, this side all women students. Okay? This side I am concentrating. Because woman developed means society developed. You have inner challenges in you. For solving problems, you have to grow intellectually. A puzzle is given to you to solve. After a couple of minutes, you are told, too late. You missed your chance. By this, you understand, friends, when you try to think about a solution, your opportunity slipped away. At first, you felt cheated. Put yourself within the situation. Don't try to solve the problem from outside. Use your inner challenges to solve any mental ability problems. Good problem solving involves developing a basic set of skills that can be applied virtually to any kind of problem. Mental ability problems may be abstract problems, money problems, relationship problems, problems at work, etc. Problem solving skills can be acquired by doing the brain exercises. When you encounter a problem, face it. Don't shy away from it. To solve problems effectively, you need to organize information in a clear and manageable way, and everything should be made as simple as possible. Some problems are solved through experiment and trial and error method. Others are solved through lateral thinking. Sometimes answer arrives in a flash of insight. In each case, you have to manipulate the information. Once you arrive at a solution, put your solution to testing. Re-examine your assumptions and confirm your reasoning. There is no foolproof formula that guarantees a solution for every kind of problem, since different kinds of problems require different kinds of thinking. Let us do some practicals now. Okay, practical 1. If 2 days ago was the day before Sunday, what will be the day after tomorrow? Think. Solution. This problem relates inner arranging. Restate the puzzle in simpler terms. The day before Sunday is Saturday. If 2 days ago was Saturday, then today is Tuesday. If today is Tuesday, the day after tomorrow is Thursday. The puzzle becomes almost trivial when you arrange the information clearly. Okay? Practical 2. One day, exactly at sunrise, a monk began to climb a tall mountain. The monk followed a narrow path and stopped many a time along the route. Exactly at sunset, he reached the summit. After night of meditation, he started his journey back exactly at sunrise. As before, the monk paused along the path many times, reaching his destination, that is, the mountain base, exactly at sunset. Prove that there is a simple path which the monk will occupy at the same time of the day on both trips. Okay? Can you think? Okay, I will give the solution. Solution. One way of solving problems is to draw pictures of them. This problem can also be solved by drawing a picture of the situation. A visual representation such as a simple sketch or diagram can force the problem to hold still so that you have time to work around. The skilled logical thinker realizes the importance of conceptualizing the problem graphically. With pen and paper, you can write down all that you know about a problem and organize information into a cohesive whole. In the given problem, imagine that the monk's path is spread out on a time height graph. When you superimpose both of the monk's journey, the answer becomes clear. The monk occupied a single position on the mountain at the place where the two lines representing his path intersect. Practical 3. Find the sum of numbers from 1 to 100. Can you say? Can you imagine? Okay, I am giving solution. Arrange the numbers in pairs, add up to 100. For example, 1 plus 99 is equal to 100. 2 plus 98 is equal to 100. 3 plus 97 is equal to 100. There will be 49 of these pairs plus the numbers 100 and 50. The grand total is 5050. Many problems can be solved by finding a hidden pattern. Discovering such a pattern involves stepping back and looking at the problem from a distance. Always find the shortcuts for the puzzles or mental ability problems. This episode is closed. Thank you. Hari Prasad signing off.